Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my English Stories channel. I hope you all are doing great and feeling excited to learn English with me today. Tom was a quiet man. He took the same train to work every morning at 7:30. He always sat near the window and looked outside. Every day felt the same: work, home, sleep, repeat. He often thought, "Is this all my life will be?" One morning, Tom noticed something new. A girl was sitting across from him. She was reading a book and looked peaceful. She didn't use her phone or talk to anyone. Tom looked at her and smiled a little. He thought, she seems different, calm, kind, but he said nothing. The next day, she was there again. Same seat, same book, same calm face. Day after day, Tom saw her. They never spoke, but something about her made him feel hopeful. He began to look forward to the train. Tom thought every morning, "Today, I'll say hello." But when the train stopped, he stayed quiet. He felt afraid. What if she thinks I'm weird? What if she doesn't want to talk? So he said nothing. One morning, she was gone. Tom waited. Maybe she missed the train. Maybe she was sick. But the next day, she was still not there. And the next, and the next. His chest felt heavy. He realized, I had a chance, and I missed it. That night, Tom asked himself, why am I always afraid to speak? What else in my life have I missed because I was scared? He looked in the mirror and said, I don't want to wait anymore. I want to live. Tom started small. He smiled at strangers. He helped a lost tourist. He joined a weekend photography class. He met new people. He found new places in the city. He laughed more. He started to feel alive again. Months passed. One day, Tom took the train again, just like before. Same time, same seat, and across from him, she was there. The girl with the book. Tom took a deep breath. He smiled. Hi, he said. I've seen you here before. You always read interesting books. What are you reading today? She looked up. Her yes sparkled. You know, she said, smiling, I've been waiting for you to say that for a long time. That's how it started. Not with magic, not with perfect timing, but with one small moment of courage. A simple hello became something more. Life lessons. Don't wait forever. Some chances never come again. A small moment can change everything. Courage begins with one step. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more English stories. See you next time.